Hey, welcome back everyone. Please hit subscribe, get a lot of views. Not as many subscribers as views, so please subscribe, leave your comments, hit like, appreciate it. Anyway, on to another couple days. So I got the trailer pretty much done, painted it, did everything else, and then I realized between these two joints here, the overlap, there was a little rust there. So what I ended up doing was putting a bead of weld all the way up and down the whole outside of it. And then I ended up using this, I don't want to call it silicone, but Lexol on the interior. It's basically sticks to anything, supposedly like an adhesive silicone on the inside, and rub that around. So I'm waiting for that to dry to be able to repaint the trailer and finish it all up. So I got some Rust-Oleum for that. Started putting in the bottom floor. My plan is put the floor down, 1-inch foam insulation, and then the top 3/4 inch. So this is only a 1/4 inch. You can see I have these tabs all the way around. What I'm going to do is bolt that through the 1/4 inch to it. Added jacks in the back, so I added 2 of those. Had the front jack, added the safety chain. It's been a lot of just little things here and there. Everything's taken us twice as long, plus going to Home Depot today took over 2 hours, waiting in line and everything else. So it's coming along. Got the wheels off, just so I can get in there and make sure that it's all painted correctly and done everything else. The only steel that's not capped is the cross, but I plan on spraying a good coat of paint in there, and then also using a like liquid film in there. And on the bottom of the insulation, bottom of the wood, I'm gonna put the fence posts. So I'm just cutting everything, then I'll start painting it. It's a little chilly out now, it's but under 50, so that stuff will be like rubber at this point. So hopefully I get that all done. And then what I plan on doing is painting the bottom with the fence posts, doing the top 2, and then what I'll do is I will silicone around all the edges there from the bottom and the top, so that way there's really sealed up 1-inch insulation, and then the 3/4 inch plywood on top. So got all my wood there, and this is also the 1-inch foam I plan on using, and then I got some fairing strips to kind of put between any spots that I won't have insulation. So around for the doors, I plan on putting fairing strips so it really sandwiches in between the 1/4 inch on the inside and outside plywood on the metal. Any other questions, please let me know. It's coming along. It's just a little slower right now. I think I have everything, and the cold weather's not helping out with being able to paint. Did buy some polyurethane too, so if I can get all the wood cut, marked up, and ready to go, then I will be able to go. I forgot to buy bolts today at the hardware store, so we're at Home Depot, so I will have to run to Ace and get all that. But a lot of the stuff I bought online on Amazon, other than the steel, so just need to keep going. Thanks a lot, and please hit subscribe. Bye-bye.